I'm moist. Good morning, everybody. It's your boy Hudson Barnes, and I'm out here on another fishing adventure. Today, we're over here on Lake Ship, the beautiful chain here in Winter Haven, Florida. We're gonna go out and do a little bit of bass fishing. Today, I got my buddy, my AKA Dangle Daddy, Corey Ash over here, about to help me get on some big boys, because you know I have no idea what I'm doing. So, we gonna get this boat in the water. I'll catch up with you there. Getting her launched here, boys. A little windy, a little choppy, but we fished out here when it was glass and hasn't been that great, so we're hoping a little bit of difference makes the fishing a little better. All right, guys, we're just now pulling through the channel here to Lake Eloise. Hopefully we're gonna get on some big ones today. The weather doesn't seem too great, but we're gonna do everything we can. My man Corey got us here faster than a speeding bullet with his freaking freight train he calls a boat. But it's ridiculous, guys. We're just pulling up now. We're gonna go ahead and get rigged up and see if we can get some fishing going. All right, so let me know what we're doing here, Corey.
All right, so today, basically, we are targeting offshore fish. I've been scanning around. I've been fishing these lakes a lot, so I have an idea already of where a lot of the structure is. Basically, we pulled up on a brush pile using the electronics on the boat and marked it up, and now we're just going to be throwing good old-fashioned Texas rig worms at it.
And of course, I know nothing about what we're rigging up here. So as he's rigging up my rods and teaching me along the way, you know, I get to learn and get this experience from him, which I'm, you know, extremely grateful for. So if you guys want to check out his channel at Fishing Unlimited, we would both greatly appreciate it. Big shout out and thank you to my buddy Corey. All right, first cast, let's get it done.
Another thing is whenever we're fishing offshore like this, whenever we're in 15 feet of water, throw as far past the buoy as you can, because as you let it sink, it's going to pendulum back. It's going to come back to me, so I want to cast out past it and basically drag it across the bottom towards me. Yep, exactly. And you'll feel it coming across whenever you make the right cast. It'll probably take a few casts, but you'll feel it when it runs into that piece of wood down there. You'll feel it drag up, hop over, and usually you'll feel it hop over and you'll feel it dunk.
First fish of the day right here, boys. Oh, that's not a bad one. That is not a bad fish, bro. It's barely hooked, bro. Barely hooked. It's a good looking fish.
Hey, you gotta start somewhere, right?
Yeah, right. Nope. I can't cast left, bro. Can't do it.
Aim at the dock. Just try it.
I've got some non-dairy yellow liquid for your popcorn. You ever watched Kung Pao? Dale, isa dale. Daylight come dan me wan go home. Highly deadly, black tarantula. Daylight come down, we want go home. I got the freaking sniper tag on my freaking, you know, rod here, and I can't snipe nothing. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. I'm an embarrassment to Rob Turkle himself. Daylight come down, we want go home. Said we work all night and we drink our rum. Daylight come down, me want go home. I'm gonna throw so far right.
Yeah, she went to the right.
Ah! I'm so good at this. Oh yeah, there she is. Ooh, man, she's coming up good. Flip her on in here, brother.
Oh, thanks. Flashing me.
You reach in there, get her? No, you got it. That's a pretty good fish there. That's a pretty fish.
Awesome. Perfect. Just like them, man.
What you know about it, bro? That is a day, 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 yo. All right, I'm about to let her sing, brother. Phew! Perfect. Perfect. Oh my God! She spit it out. Spit it out right at the boat. Gosh, dang it, man! She was toying with it for a second. She was toying with it for a second. She bumped it 3 or 4 times. I let her take it. I set it, and she spit it right at the dang boat, man. Son of a gun. Fish on? That's a big fish? Heck yeah. I think you caught him on top of his dome. That's a decent fish too. That's 3 to 1, dog. We can't do this no more. That's a good fish, dude. Oh no. That's a good fish too, bro.
How did I do that?
Sorry, buddy. Fish on. Oh, that's a good fish too. That's a good fish. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I got him. Come on, little guy. Atta baby. He ain't very big. Still a fish. That's my first landed fish. No. It's not about the side of the boat. It's about the motion of the ocean, brother. So what's going on here? Daylight come down, me one go home. That's some rain right there too, boy. Look, beautiful, beautiful sunny skies. Rain. That's Florida in a 100% nutshell. Oh, I found something, all right. Whoa, bro, bro. I need you to stop. It was just pulling drag.
You're gonna have to pull it.
I was like, I am the anchor. Bro. Shit is in there, dog.
This is why you don't use 65-pound braid for breakfast.
You're not as solid. I was the anchor for the boat for a minute with this thing. I'm pulling the boat. You're on? Woo, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, he's all right. He ain't bad.
He ain't bad. I thought he was like 8 pounds. But
he ain't bad at all. Daylight come down, me one go home. I have the worst luck about stepping on these freaking hinges barefoot. We work all night and we drink our rum. This is that rain that you're doing 60 miles an hour and it hurts. All right, guys, so clearly, as you can see behind me, the weather's no longer cooperating. So I think we're gonna go ahead and turn in for the day. I caught one, technically 1.5. I didn't get her in the boat. Corey nailed, what was it, 3?
yeah, about 3 or 4, something like that.
3 or 4 fish. It's been a successful fishing day in my opinion. You know, I get out here, get a little bit of experience. You know, it's only my 2nd time throwing a bait caster. So I'm just out here trying to learn something.
big thank you to my man Corey Ash for bringing me out today. I really appreciate it. You guys make sure to go check out his channel at Fishing Unlimited. And if you liked the video, make sure to drop a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you want to see me do this again. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.